Okay, so first things first, you go over to iMovie, which is if you have an iPhone, it should be free. This is where I do all my editing on here. So you're just gonna click on the plus sign, movie, and then start selecting every video that you have that you want to combine all together. Once you have that, you just throw it on there. You'll see that it's all separated into different pieces. This is where you can just play around with it, take your time, have some fun. You can just cut it out, get straight to the point, cut your scenes, add anything that needs to be added, any kind of text that needs to be added on there. Um, but yes, essentially, again, so you're just able to cut it out. One thing I would recommend is to lower down the volume on your videos. Just turn it off completely so you don't hear yourself breathing or walking, of course. And then you're able to add also audio on the actual video. So again, you just can select from anything here. A lot of this here is all stuff that's all free anyways. So you start adding on there, and you can also create different texts here. So if you wanted to put the apartment number and all that. Once you're done editing everything, you're actually just going to save it. You save it on, and then you got to make sure you save it as 720, the quality, so it comes out at a decent quality. It might take about 2 years for it to finally load, but once it loads, you're actually just gonna it's gonna get saved automatically onto your library, and from your library, you'll be able to post it on YouTube. I'd recommend maybe doing like a separate YouTube page just specifically for work if you're gonna be doing this often. So these are all the videos that I have posted on mine. I think I've done like 30 of them. So and then from there, you just select the video, this video you want. Again, this is just an example, so I'm not going to post it. From there, you're just going to title, put whatever you want on the title, 2617M, blah, 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 blah. And then you just want to hit the top right corner where it says next, and then post the video. It'll start posting it automatically, and then you're able to go from there. So once you've already made the YouTube video for it and uploaded it on YouTube, and of course you're gonna go on 206 apartment 1, you click on it, and then it's gonna take you here. You're gonna see all this information on there. So you just want to create kind of like another space down here where there's nothing. And then what I like to do is I like to open up my notes. Let's go on to YouTube. Okay, and then this will come up. So, and then this is the video I'm gonna post. You click on it, and then just pause it. One thing is you wanna make sure that the quality here always says 720. And then from there, again, you're gonna go share, click on this, and it's gonna give you a link. You highlight everything, you copy that link, go onto your notes. There we go. And it should look like this. Simple as far as what you need to do. So Richard sent me this here, and it actually gives you the format. So everything that you see highlighted is what needs to be edited. So for example, just to make it easier, what I like to do is grab the whole thing that he sent me, and then go over to your notes, and then paste it on there. So you can have them right next to each other. It just makes it easier. So if you notice here, it says 448, 252. That is gonna replace this here. And boom, see how now they look the same? So now you wanna follow your way down all the way over here. Now, I like to use this just to be sure. So where the question mark is, so if you notice here, this is where we're gonna put it. So you grab this section here, where the question mark is, and then it stops at 1. So you copy that there, and it's gonna go right in between this here. So right here where it says frame, all you're gonna do is paste it, and that's it. Now if you notice, you see how now they match, how you have this one and this one's here together. Just highlight everything, and then copy, and everything else is pretty simple from here. Go onto here, and the editing you just made for it, you're gonna post it down here. From here, just a matter of just putting update, and then you want to preview changes, see how it went, and then there it is. So now you're able to get the video posted on there, and then you got all your pictures and everything, of course. Very, very, very simple. A little time consuming, but pretty simple.